Most people believe rich kids succeed because they're lucky, because they inherit money. But that's not the truth. The real advantage is what? They are taught at home. Those lessons schools never teach. Today, you'll discover 10 powerful life lessons rich people teach their children that shape confidence, wealth, and success for life. Stay till the end, because lesson number 10 separates the wealthy from everyone else. If you want to think smarter, grow stronger, and build a powerful future, this video is for you. Let's begin. Rule number 1: money is a tool, not the goal. Rich parents teach their children one simple truth: money is not life's purpose. Money is a tool to buy freedom, create opportunities, and make impact. When money becomes the goal, people become slaves to it. But when money becomes a tool, life becomes flexible. Rule number 2: learn how to earn before you learn how to spend. Most children are taught how to spend money. Rich children are taught how money is made. They learn about business, skills, investments, value creation, because those who understand earning never fear losing money. Rule number 3: delayed gratification builds power. Rich families teach patience. They don't rush rewards. They teach children to wait, plan, and invest. Because people who control their desires eventually control their future. Rule number 4: failure is not shame, it's education. In rich households, failure isn't punished. It's analyzed. Mistakes are seen as remained important lessons, feedback, growth points. That's why rich kids grow confident. They're not afraid to try. Rule number 5: know the difference between assets and liabilities. This lesson alone can change a life. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Rich children learn this early, so their money works for them instead of working against them. Rule number 6: time is more valuable than money. Money can be earned again. Time never returns. Rich parents teach children to respect time, protect time, invest time wisely, because those who master time eventually master money. Rule number 7: think long term, not short term. Poor decisions focus on today. Rich decisions focus on years and generations. Rich families sacrifice comfort today for security tomorrow. That's how wealth survives for decades. Rule number 8: skills matter more than degrees. Education is important, but skills are powerful. Rich kids are trained in communication, leadership, problem solving, decision making. Degrees open doors. Skills keep doors open. Rule number 9: your circle shapes your future. Rich parents carefully guide who their children learn from, because mindset is contagious. If you surround yourself with thinkers, you grow. Builders, you rise. Winners, you win. Your environment decides your direction.
Rule number 10: give back to create true wealth. The final lesson is the deepest. True wealth isn't just what you own, it's what you contribute. Rich families teach charity, responsibility, and impact. Because wealth without purpose never lasts. Remember, you should follow these steps to rise and grow rich kids, because rich people don't just pass down money, they pass down mindsets. And the good news is, you don't need to be born rich to learn these lessons. You just learned them today. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more mindset shifting content. Your future begins with how you think.